So the transformation downtown has been amazing with the streetscape and now the hotel, but there's some businesses really stepping up their game. And we're here at Lady B's Tea Parlor with Jessica and Deborah, and we just saw the kitchen. The transformation of the kitchen has been wonderful since the last time we've been here a couple weeks ago. Can you tell us about that?
Sure, it is a full commercial kitchen. We have all the utensils and all the cooking equipment we need to be able to put out exactly our dishes and make them just perfect. So.
Refrigeration, there was no plumbing in there at all when you were first here. Remember, we jumped over a trench in the floor. So now all the plumbing is in, all the sinks. We have a lot of sinks, and we have a lot of stainless steel.
And we passed our inspection,
yes,
so it's perfect.
Yeah.
So let's talk about this room. This room is just astounding, what you've done since we've been here. Can you tell us about that?
Well, we did a lot of decorating. We did a lot of painting. Jessica and Harry did the wainscoting and the chair rail. I did ceiling. We just enjoyed setting up the tables. I mean, it's like, get the paint on the walls so we can set the tables to look pretty. We really wanted the tables to look pretty. Yeah. So we've been putting chair covers on, putting little butterflies on our napkins, and we are ready for people to enjoy the room.
We're going to be a tea room first, and there will be a small menu where people certainly can get a whole lunch. Most of the tea rooms that we go to, it's not the little sandwiches, it's not the little fun stuff that we associate a real English tea with. So they are tea rooms, absolutely, but a very different vibe from what we intend to have here. So we're hoping anybody that's been to a tea in England or anywhere else in the world, it'll bring up memories.
Or see them on Downton Abbey. You know,
yes, Downton Abbey, that's a good one. Yes,
That's the type.
So I'm excited to taste this menu, and great news. The soft opening is happening, and that is first come, first serve, but also you can make reservations. And how do they do that?
The phone number is 863-412-4082.
All right, and this is the newest tea room in Polk County, so you got to come and check it out.
Absolutely.
Please do.
Pinkies up.
Pinkies up.